Here are the 7 most reliable SUVs of 2024, each built to offer dependable performance without the drama. Some might surprise you with their unexpected mix of luxury and performance, proving that reliability beats flash. Number 7. Acura RDX. People who are looking for a dependable compact SUV that also offers a touch of luxury and excitement will find the Acura RDX to be an excellent option. With a predicted reliability score of 80. The price may come as a surprise to you, despite the fact that it is comfy, simple to operate, and constructed from high-quality materials. Acura's super-handling all-wheel drive makes it even simpler to steer, and the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides sufficient power for enjoyable driving on a regular basis. The interior of the RDX is not only fashionable, well-built, and comfortable, but it is also packed with high-tech features such as a great sound system, a large screen for entertainment, and the Acura Watch safety system. The RDX hits the sweet spot between performance and usefulness in its design. One could say that it is sumptuous without being excessive, and that it is sporty without being excessively uncomfortable. The price of the 2024 Acura RDX starts at $45,700 and goes up to $53,045 depending on the trim and options. Number 6. Toyota RAV4. A dependability score of 80 was awarded to the 2024 Toyota RAV4, demonstrating that it continues to live up to its reputation as a dependable option. The RAV4 is a well-known SUV that is known for its dependability and practicality. It blends fuel efficiency with a combined rating of 27 miles per gallon, with amenities that are easy to use, which has generated a loyal following. In spite of the fact that they are anticipated to be discontinued the next year, the plug-in hybrid variants, which are referred to as the Prime models, provide value by increasing fuel efficiency and providing more power. At all times, the RAV4 is able to fulfill a wide variety of requirements, whether it be for short excursions or for longer journeys. On the inside, it features comfortable seating, controls that are easy to use, and the appropriate amount of technology to enhance the experience without adding an undue level of complexity. The standard package includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which provides additional peace of mind by providing functions such as radar cruise control and traffic sign assist. Despite the fact that the RAV4 does not seek to provide excitement, it continues to be one of the most practical and dependable options that are accessible. Number 5. Subaru Forester. The 2024 Subaru Forester receives an 82-point reliability grade and continues to provide the tough dependability that Subaru is famous for making available to its customers. The Subaru Forester, which comes standard with symmetrical all-wheel drive and can be purchased for between $27,000 and $37,000, is an excellent option for a wide range of activities, including family road trips and outdoor pursuits. It has ground clearance that is unusual for its class, making it practical, comfortable, and spacious enough to carry gear, dogs, and even children. It was designed for people who enjoy spending time outside. When it comes to being a trustworthy companion, the Forester is an excellent choice for both daily commuting and adventures into the outdoors. The SUV is a versatile vehicle that can accommodate both urban and outdoor lifestyles due to the fact that it strikes a balance between capability and comfort. Number 4. BMW X5. In terms of overall performance, the BMW X5 has a score of 92, and it also has a score of 82 for its reliability. That it is the greatest mid-sized luxury SUV available on the market is a statement that I agree with Consumer Reports. In a short amount of time, the most recent version, particularly those that come equipped with the powerful B58 turbocharged inline-6 engine, has garnered a fantastic reputation for both its performance and its durability. Despite the fact that it is not inexpensive and that it achieves just 23 miles per gallon, the X5 is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a vehicle that combines dependability, performance, and luxury all in one package. The X5 is a remarkable SUV in terms of its interior, which features a wonderful cabin that is well equipped. Additionally, the X5 is a wonderful vehicle to drive, as it excels in handling for an SUV. Both the level of comfort and the quality of the ride are so high that it makes you want to take the scenic route. It is truly one of a kind. It is possible that the X5 is out of reach for some individuals, but if you are able to purchase one, you will not regret it. Number 3. Lexus UX. The 2024 Lexus UX is one of the most reliable SUV on the market, with an 83 score. Even though it's not exactly cheap, it is a Lexus after all. The UX is a great deal for a first-time luxury car buyer. People who live in cities and want the best of both comfort and dependability should choose this option. Inside, the cabin is high-end, with plush seats, a high-resolution infotainment screen, and Lexus's famous safety features, because peace of mind is part of true luxury. The UX's design also makes a statement. Its sharp edges and signature spindle grille make it stand out in a stylish way. It's a small luxury SUV, but it's more reliable and more comfortable than expected. With the UX, you don't have to drive a huge SUV to have a truly luxury experience. Number 2. Honda HR-V. In keeping with Honda's long-standing record for producing dependable automobiles, the 2024 Honda HR-V has been awarded a high reliability score of 85. The Honda HR-V is a vehicle that is not only economical but also dependable and effective, with a price range that falls between $24,000 and $30,000. In addition to being a vehicle that lasts for a long time, the most recent version of the Honda HR-V has a sophisticated look, a roomy interior, and controls that are easy to comprehend. Its owners like its practicality, and with a combined fuel economy of 27 miles per gallon, it is also comfortable for their wallets when they go to the petrol station. Despite the fact that it may not have the most eye-catching exterior, the Honda HR-V was constructed with the intention of being functional and long-lasting. As an additional benefit, the high resale value of Honda vehicles makes them an excellent investment. In the market for compact SUVs, the Honda HR-V is an excellent option because it exceeds expectations in terms of both its dependability and its usability. Number 1. Subaru Crosstrek. With an impressive score of 99 out of 100, the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek establishes a new standard for dependability, making it an exceptional vehicle altogether. The Crosstrek, which falls within the price range of $25,000 to $32,000, provides an exceptional value, making it an appealing option for individuals who place a high emphasis on dependability and versatility. The Crosstrek's capability to traverse a wide range of terrains is enhanced by the inclusion of standard all-wheel drive, which is a characteristic that Subaru automobile owners love. Despite the fact that the Crosstrek is not intended for excitement at high speeds, it is capable of providing many miles of trouble-free driving. Its adaptability extends to a fervent community that modifications these vehicles for usage on trails, so adding a degree of usefulness that is not found elsewhere. With its amazing reliability rating, the Crosstrek promises to be an investment that will last for a very long time, giving it the feeling of being a trusted member of the family over the course of its lifetime. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.